Hi there everybody, Sanna here again with another video for the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist series, and this time I've gathered some wooden pieces for you to share. And on the second part of this video I will again show you how I experiment with the glimmer mists. Again, the same colors like I've used throughout all the videos. That's the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist Gold, and these are quite empty already, but don't worry, I have plenty more here available if I run out of these. And the pink poodle is the second color that I'm using. The third color is icicle blue, and these are all glimmer mists. And the last but not least is the aquamarine, the greenish tone. Love this tone too. And what I've gathered together is all types of wooden pieces that I happen to have at home. There are for sure plenty of other things you could show, but I just happen to have these around, so we'll start with these so that you can get an idea of what you can do or not do with the glimmer mists. So what I chose to use on this wood misting video is natural twig from a tree. So this is something that has been lying on the ground. I found it on our walk and I saved it to show you that maybe and how this works. The glimmer mist works on an older piece of wood that has it's already, it looks a little bit worn out and old. So we'll see how that goes. Then I have I don't actually know how you call these in English. Well, I'll add the name when I Google it first. But this is from a tree. Then I have some pre-cut wood. I think this is wood veneer or something like that. Then I've taken this is an old hair brush that I took the brush part away because it was already damaged. And I've added a really thin layer of gesso on it, and I was thinking I could do some kind of mixed media project with it, so that's what we are going to use. Then these paint sticks or ice cream sticks, one of those. Then just 2 pieces of plain wood. This is regular normal building wood. I stole that from my husband. Then a wooden ruler. This is something my son made for me, so it's a present. Well, but I hope he doesn't mind if I do a little testing on that one too. Then I've got wooden embellishments, spools, clips, clothespins, sorry. What else? A wooden button, and this is a particular wood. I have to Google the name because I don't know it in English, but it smells different. It has a different smell to it. I'll add the name to the edited video because I don't know that name in English at all. Then I've got some more wood veneer chipboard pieces here. There's one chipboard. I'll add a few others to that, but so that you can get the idea. There's another chipboard piece. A wooden pre-cut lemon. I thought that would be fun. Some feathers, you can always use those. Wooden words, pre-cut. Wooden domino piece, and I think that's bone or horn on the top of the domino piece. So we'll see how that goes. A piece of cork from a champagne bottle from New Year's, and then something fun. I thought this is kind of goes to that direction. Well, it's not wood, but it's a natural material. These are pumpkin seeds that I've washed and dried, so I figured these would be fun on a mixed media project. So I gathered these two, and we're going to try them to mist them. Then I've got this wooden light wood box. I figured that might work too. Then I've got a barbecue stick, should work as well, and a darker wood piece, a steampunk piece, it's already pre-cut and it's a little bit glossy and it's a little bit darker, so I chose that. Then some basic chipboard circles. These are from Vicky Nanka. And last but not least, I've also got some cork here. So these are cork pieces from Studio Calico. These are cameras, so I would like to try that too with Glimmer Mists. And then I've got all kinds of random things. I don't know yet if I'm going to test these, but this would look fun, I think. So this is from, I think this is an old kitchen piece. I got this from my husband's friend. Then I've got something, kitchen tools, really old ones. Maybe this one. Maybe we can do something with that. And I think that's pretty much it. And I also have some plywood here, but it has a shiny surface. So this is just a residue piece. Maybe we'll try that too. I don't think that that particular piece works, but we'll give it a try. And then I would have some regular, you know, like this would be a stamp block, from a wooden stamp block piece. This looks like it at least. That we could try, and I think that's it. That's pretty much it. I don't have any other wooden pieces here. Or there's another wooden stick. We could try that. I think that's a shame to miss that one, but let's take this one. And I think that's it. I'm just going through my supplies here. Sorry for the noise. But I've got all types of pieces gathered around here in my working area to show you what you can mist. So that would be basically the wooden part to start with, and then on my next video I will show you how I mist them, if I do heating or not, and if I heat them with the heat gun, what happens with the color and glimmer and everything. Just comparing what happens if I just let it air dry, basic things. So that you have some basic information about how these glimmer mists work. So see you in the next part of this video.